Going from entertaining thousands of people to potentially saving thousands of people, Ringling Brothers and Barnum and Bailey Circus retiring their elephants in early May, and now they're living right outside of Orlando.
We were the only local media there when handlers brought out the 11 recent retirees. This is at the Center for Elephant Conservation in Polk City. Handlers will live with the mammals 24/7 where they'll be studied.
Melanie Lawson was there and explains why the elephant's blood could help cure cancer and save lives.
It is something scientists have known for a long time. Elephants rarely get cancer. And if researchers can figure out why and then duplicate those circumstances in humans, it could lead to the greatest cure on Earth.
Elephants have a very low rate of cancer. It's about 5%. You'd think a 9,000-pound elephant with that many cellular divisions, just by chance, they would get cancer, but they rarely do.
Unlike humans, specifically children, where there will be 16,000 new cancer cases this year alone. The sheer size of the elephant should make them more likely to develop the disease. But Wendy Kiso, the director of conservation and research, explains why these elephants are unique.
Humans have 2 copies of a gene called the P53 gene, and we call it the guardian of the genome. So it actually suppresses tumor formation. So just imagine if one goes bad or haywire, or you're not born with this specific gene, you have a high incidence of cancer. But in elephants, they have 40 copies of this gene.
It protects them from not only getting cancer, but if they do, it rarely spreads. There is no extra blood being drawn at the conservation center.
The ears are a really good place to pull blood.
Handlers were already taking samples from the elephants there for research and to monitor their well-being. That same blood is now being looked at by Dr. Joshua Schiffman.
Hi, Kelsey. How are you today?
A pediatric oncologist in Salt Lake City who's trying to cure childhood cancer. Dr. Kiso believes together their work could lead to a cure.
We don't know what that magic pill will be, whether it's a powder or a protein shake or literally a pill. So that's one of the questions that we're looking into. And first we got to figure out which variety of the P53 gene is the most effective. That's one thing that we would figure out, whether or not it's an annual pill or whether it's a daily vitamin, so to speak, or whether it's to prevent cancer or it could treat cancer. All the above are the questions that we have.
Dr. Kiso says there's no timeline on when they expect answers to those questions. But because elephants can live into their 70s.
And our oldest one in the group is Mysore, and she is 70 years old.
Scientists have many years to research and learn from this mammal that almost never gets cancer. Melanie Lawson, Channel 4, the local station.